Namaste, children. Today we are going to watch or see an interesting topic, quality. It is one of the most interesting and moral based story. See, in this lesson, the quality, we are going to see about the quality. Quality means yes, the goodness. It may be the character of one, or even it may be a product quality. Here we are going to see about the quality of boots made by Gessler brothers. The author had known the Gessler brothers since his childhood, as his father used to get his shoes made by them. See, these are the two Gessler brothers. They used to prepare shoes in their own product. The Gessler brothers had a small shops with the two shops let into one. There was a board saying Gessler brothers along with a few pairs of exotic looking leather shoes outside the window. Exotic means very beautiful and excellent one. There was a board. In that board, Gessler brothers is there. At the age of 14, the author got his first pair of shoes made by the Gesslers. So that is the first shoe worn by the author. He thought that the boots made by the Gesslers were mysterious and wonderful. Really, they are making in such a wonderful way. So such quality they are giving to the people. The brothers made more shoes only on order, and as the author has stated, the shoes lasted terribly. Lasted terribly means it will come year by year. Likewise, it will long lasting because it has good quality, so it will come for 2 to 3 years. Likewise, it is very quality, very good in quality. Here, Mr. Gessler was confident of the work he did. It was difficult for him to accept complaints if they occurred at all. If he received any complaint from his boots means he will return the money at once. Likewise, he is very particular in his complaint. If any complaint he received means he will return the payment. Likewise, he never ever done mistake. So even if he had done any mistake, he will return the money. Likewise, he is very sincere. One time, the author absent-mindedly went into the Gessler shop to place an order on a pair of boots bought in an emergency. That means he wore a shoe which was brought in other shop. With the shoes, he is entering into the Gessler shop in an emergency. That Gessler stared at the boots and took his order without showing him any leather. What he is doing? Oh, this person is getting shoes from other shop. What made him to buy in that shop? Likewise, he felt sad, and without showing any leather, he is preparing to make boots. Those are not my boots. He is replying. It hurts you there. Those big firms have no self-respect. Drat, they get it all. They get it by advertisement, not by work. See, your shoe is not at all perfect. It is hurting you in the left leg. See, you are buying these things from a big shop. Big firms means big shop, but not by their work. You are getting those shoes by their advertisement, not by their work. Why they are doing like this? They are not at all giving. They are getting more money, but they are not giving good quality. Likewise, he shared his opinion to that boy, to the author. They take it away from us. Who love our boots? Everyone has gone from our shop to there, but the quality is very worst in that shops. It come to this. Presently, I have no work. Because of that, I have no work. Even I am giving good boots, quality boots, I am not having work now. Every year it get less. You will see. You too bought. I'm not complaining you because of the advertisement. All are going to big firms and they forget my shops. Likewise, he is stating his reason. 2 years later, they had sold one part of the shop because of the poverty. They sales one because two shops I said no. One shop they sold. It made the author feel guilty and he ended up ordering three pairs of shoes instead of two. Usually he ordered two pair. This time he ordered three pairs of shoes. His next visit happened after a gap of months. The elder Mr. Gessler had died. After that, the author saw the younger Mr. Gessler a year later. So, because of that, he felt so sad, and even the works become very less. The elder Mr. Gessler had died, and the younger Mr. Gessler is very sad about that. He too looked more aged than he really was and was slower than usual. The author felt grieved. Grieved means what? Worried dryly, heavily at heart and ordered. Now, this time he ordered instead of two, he ordered four pairs of boots to help the younger Gessler brother. See how he is trying, the author is trying to help the man like this. A week later, he saw the Gessler name was gone. There was an Englishman in the shop. Mr. Gessler had died of starvation. Starvation means what? Panjam. Because of poverty, he died. He not enough money. He not have enough money to give or to eat or to give for the rent and the leather. Because of the reduced order, he lost his life. That man, that Englishman is replying to this author. You see, he went to work in such a way. Not a man in London made a better boot. He is the best man, you know. He is making such a good boots, but the people all went to the big firms because of their advertisement. But because of starvation, he died. What? Starvation? Yes, because of the lace order. He was not at all eating properly. He was sitting over his boots day and night to the very last. He never gave himself time to eat. Never had a penny. Penny means rupees to the in the house. How he will pay for the rent? How he will get leather? All went in vain, my dear boy. Like my dear friend, how he will eat, how he will pay, all went on rent and leather. How he lived so long, I don't know. He was a character, but he made good boots. He is a good man who have good character as well as who made good boots. Yes, he made good boots. The author felt very sad. See, the people are not realizing the truth. We have to understand them and we have to help them. Thank you, children.